lana ke konke engifuna ukuxoxela yona yazi. Lento uyayazi futhi ngangakhuluma ngayo. Kodwa ngifuna ukukukhumbuza in a different way. Uyabona kuhlezi kune difference between your desires and the actual experience. Whereas what you desire, what you dream of, your fantasies, always there's a mismatch between those desires and the actual experience. And in most cases, the actual experience is less than what you have anticipated. Yes. So, i-message ke ithi lesi sikhathi okusona phila kusona fully. Yes. Phila kusona fully usembrace ngoba asikho esinye esifana naso sobuye sifike siyadlula. Namhlanje khona abantu abafisa ukuthi ngabe bakulesi sikhathi esedlule ngoba babesithatha for granted, thinking ukuthi lesi sizayo will provide more value. Yes. Khona wacabanga ukuthi kuba single aku valueless. Yena ubona ukuthi ngabe se fulfilled mangabe seshadile noma eseshadelwe. Omunye wabona ukuthi mengena moto mhla wanayo kuyobe sekuyi fulfillment. Uthola ukuthi mase kufikwa lapho mhlawumbe le nto yenzeka only for isikhathi esinane, emva kwalokho ke useyazi ukuthi I know I'm getting the heat la angishaya petrol yangixaka lento. Ngalesi sikhathi ubengile lo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Mayithi into ngathi ngise umntwana ngenzisa komntwana. Isho kona impela ukuthi angithanga ngumntwana ngabe ngigijimela into engaphambi kwami. Nga enjoy lesi sikhathi engikusona. Unmarried enjoy lokho fully ngoba nokuba married kuza nawakho ama complications akho. Uhamba ngeenyawo, awu drive, awuyibambi lapho, enjoy that one fully. Kunama benefits akhona lapho. Unemoto engayona imoto enkulu. Enjoy lo ma benefits, ibambi lapho fully, embrace lokho ngoba nalokho okuzayo kuyifantasy. Yazi ukuthi udayiselwa iphupho elithi maselifikile alibi lento wena obukade uyicabanga. Yes. Ungangitshela nje na ukuthi khona izinto ocabanga ukuthi masusunazo kuyoba yi-fulfillment. Buka namhlanje uyasebenza makuukuthi uyasebenza and wakhona into ethi nje wena masusebenza wadayiselwa iphupho yothenga into oyifunayo uyokwenza into oyithandayo. Kodwa is it the case? No. Lezo zinto zingenzeka for a time being, emva kwalokho kuyaphela kuyadlula yabo. So that is why kubalekile ukuthi awu enjoy lama benefits lawa, awu enjoy leso sikhathi leso kusona. Ukhumbule ukuthi I also pointed you towards ukuthi kuya ngokuthi into uyibuka kanjani yabo. Because ake ngibuke nje for an example, maningi ama examples that I can pick yabo. But maybe if I can pick yinje abantu abayithanda, abantu bathanda ukushadelwa nokushada, bathanda ukuthenga imoto, all of those things nanokuba nemali. Uyazi ukuthi there are things that are coming with that. It's a package. That is why azathi umfowamphongose wangithi wena uyayithanda impumelelo pho manje uyisabelana izitha. Angithi uyabona ngoba i-duality okunye kuza nokunye. Angithi uyabona. So uthola ukuthi ke wena ke you want to be married because for now at least you are unmarried yabo. Uyazi ukuthi khona izinto eziza nalokho obona ukuthi yazi ngesikhathi I was single lokhu bekungekho ke lokho. In fact by the time I was unmarried lokhu bekungekho yabona. Now sokukhona lokho kuyana ukuthi into uyibuka kanjani ke wena. So asikho isikhathi emethi usoverlook and then ufaka amehlo akho le phambili ukuthi I think I'll be fulfilled, I'll be living life, because it's a fantasy. Yes. And ingqondo yakhe tend to make it more beautiful than the actual experience yabo. Because why? By the time dopamine it's a motivation chemical yabo. It's a motivation biochemical. By the time that dopamine hit is being released, you become so motivated and like you anticipate there's gonna be a great pleasure yabo. But only to find out ukuthi masufikile lapho dopamine it resets itself yabo. Because umuntu ngiyawazi akwazi ukuhlala ekwi state lesi sokuba overstimulated. Awunayo impukane ingijwayela kabo. Ngiyakwazi umuntu ukuhlala overstimulated, so izomela ukuthi iz reset i dopamine level yakho, ngithi yabo. So ngaleyo ndlela ke bese uthola ukuthi by the time usufika kuleso sigaba usewuthi wena ayisigaba besingemuva was much better, yabo. Or I thought it would be very fantastic and very great if I reach this level, because ingqondo yakho izozireseta vele, and you find out ukuthi now I'm disappointed. It is not what I thought, it is not what I imagined, yabo. Namhlanje abanye bayagadwa and babe ngayitshela ukuthi ngokunyuka kwemali kuncipha freedom ukubona. Bayagadwa namhlanje. And sometimes yazi ukuthi some of them they wish bangaba wena in one way or other, but abakwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi bebe uwo ongenayo imali eningi, because bona ikuyi package phela. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi abe nale freedom wena onayo yokuyidavuzela noma ikuphi ngesikhathi usithandayo. Ngiyakwazi kuba nalo freedom aphinda abe nale imali anayo, ngoba uzothola ukuthi wakhatha amakhonazi ngesikhathi enza leyo mali, ngoba kwakhona into ingqondo yakhe emdayisela yona ukuthi waswana nemali wena. Kobe sokonke sekufeziwe. Unfortunately ke mefika kuleso sigaba sokuba nemali, kunezinto angabi nazo. Yes, imali usenayo, because you can't keep a cake. You can't keep a cake and a penny at the same time. You have to lose one, yabo. You can't eat your cake and still have it. So you have this, you're gonna lose this, yabo. That's the law, yabo. Ukuthi ngaba nayo yonke imali kodwa akanayo appetite yokudla. Lokho ke kuyahambisana ke nawo uGate 41 lo esikuwona. Kuyahambisana noGate 41 lo esikuwona, uGate of the start cordon. Le kade ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi mhlambe namhlanje ke moya manifesting generator noma uyimanifesta, mhlambe uke wazizwa down inyana, yabo, uzizwa nje ungathi awukho energized ngalendlela ojwayele ukuba energized ngayo. Yabo, umzimba wakho bowulalela bo reset lapho for a push that is coming. So njengoba i-start cordon ke, based on the neutrinos, we are going to have those dreams, those fantasies of starting something new, experiencing new things, starting afresh, writing down our dreams and all of those things. Yabo, we might have that. That is a possibility. That is a potential. Ukuthi singayithola siye humanity siba kuleso sigaba leso. Ngithi yabo, but okwakho kuba ku-emotional clarity. Don't just jump the gun. Follow your strategy and authority. Respond amakuthi uyi-generator. Wait for recognitions and invitations uma uyi-projector. Wait for a lunar cycle uma uyi-reflector. Also, those are looking at the 4 types akhona. Iba clear. Ungavele nje ucabanga ukuthi wena kuzoba mnandi and then you jump to things, you agree, you make agreements, you commit yourself and all of those things. You are unclear because ingqondo yakhe idayisela amanga ukuthi ayikuzoba mnandi kakhulu, kanti ekugcineni uzophoxeka, yabo. Izoba emotional charged. Lento yama emotions ne emotional charge going forward izoba khona kuleli viki nje, yabo. Kuleli viki izoba khona into emotional charge, so kubalekile ukuthi ube very 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 vigilant, yabo, kulento yama emotions. Isimo sokhala esimeni so, yabo, nje into yama emotions, kuma addictions, ugade lezo zinto lezo. Isimeni sokudla kakhulu, esimeni sokuthanda ucansi, esimeni sokuyithola uphuza kakhulu, mhlawumbe mawuphuza utshwala, esimeni sokufuna experience nje, that emotional experience, yabo, indulgence, yabo. Igade kakhulu leyo nto leyo, because i-craving ingaba khona impela. It will depend ukuthi what is it that you are craving for, but all in all nje, it's just that thing of wanting to experiment a new experience. Ngithi yabo, because this is a start, what it is a start cordon. Ke that's the message. Shuthi ke mina nawe njengoba ngikhipha le message ku 6:20 nje manje ngoba ngirecorda, siyozibonane ke lapha na ku YouTube 22 January 2026 7 PM lapha on YouTube. So siyozibonane khona ke. Danko.